Congratulations on finishing this Accelerator crash course. Now that you have finished this course, you are eligible to receive an eBadge from the IU Center of Excellence for Women in Technology. An eBadge is an online endorsement of the new skill that you have learned today and is a visual image that you can display online. eBadges show future employers that you have up-to-date and relevant skills that will help you exceed in the workplace. Because you attended this Accelerator crash course, you have been added to our Canvas page. You must accept the invitation to join the course, if you have not done so already. Once you are a member of our Canvas page, you will navigate to the See in Post sidebar to create a See in Post portfolio. Once you have created your See in Post portfolio, you will be awarded your eBadge. You can then download this eBadge to display in other online platforms.